Little pepper jack cheese, egg, sausage, bok choy, peppers from the plants, onion, and of course, little Texas Pete. What a way to start the day. This is the sauteed, I believe this is the sauteed garlic flavor. Yes. Iced tea with a little lemon juice. Low carb wrap. Excellent. Gonna be a windy one today. Bill Goudy checking in. It's warm, but it's windy. I can't get over how much wind we're getting. Makes it tough to get stuff done outside. It's been busy. Oh, has it been busy around here? Check it out. In this batch of jerky, I'm going to use the snack stick seasoning. And I'm going to use a shooter. So there's a shooter in 5 pounds of deer meat. There's no pork sausage, and I tried to trim out any deer fat, keep it as lean as possible. Now I'm going to mix that seasoning packet into that, and then I'll let that sit all day. And I don't think I'll do it until tomorrow, probably about overnight. I'll just let that sit in there and marry all those flavors together, and then tomorrow I'll put it in the dehydrator. I'll show you how that's done. I had to move inside. It's just too windy out there. I think they're saying we're getting 40-mile-an-hour gusts. It makes it hard to get stuff done out in the woods, that's for sure. I'm just afraid of those old widowmakers coming down. You just never know. And plenty of dead trees out there with that emerald ash borer. Killed a lot of ash trees, and I got a lot of trees cut. I sure do. Well, I got more stuff going on. I got the deer sausage, the deer meat that I'm going to make into jerky. I got it in the refrigerator, marrying in the seasoning. I recently made 5 pounds of summer sausage with the deer meat, and 5 pounds of the jerky. And I used the real chunks of meat, nice and lean, and cut them nice and thin, and smoked them up in the smoker. Oh my, so good. And I give some to Big Head Brad and the Wild West, and I'll tell you what, it didn't last long. It's good stuff. I still got a little bit of that summer sausage left, but so good. I don't use the cure. I just use the seasoning. I don't like the cure, and so that means I have to freeze it or eat it right away. It doesn't matter. 5 pounds doesn't last around here at all. It sure doesn't. You can tell this is the one I stuck the probe in, going for 165 temperature. I know it says poultry, but it doesn't matter. I want 165. I'm at 163. Almost there. That's what we want right there. Yeah, when I was using the smoker. I used to use crackers, not anymore. I don't miss them. Well, kind of I miss them, but not really. That's so good. Summer sausage at its finest. What a nice snack. Yeah, the pepper plants are kind of liking this warmer weather, that's for sure. No go. Yeah, look at that. There's this hole's bigger. There's a sleeve that fits on the motor, on the Honda motor, that fits into that. This is not machined or drilled out to that. This side is the same, but this side is slightly bigger. Can you see that step inside there? I'm going to try to drill that out, I think. Everything else looks the same. Alright, I got it in. Moment of truth. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that did the trick. Sounds good. I think that was 30 bucks for that starter. I fixed the four-wheeler. Starter went bad. I got a problem with my Grizzly grinder. It's a Grizzly meat saw grinder. And I've contacted Grizzly, and they've been just very, very helpful. But I got the wrong part. They sent the wrong bushing, and they sent a steel bushing. And I got a nylon bushing. It was only $6.50, but yeah, I gotta get that fixed. My grinder's not working properly now. Never ending, is it? I suspicion that this part right here, that this is the cutting blade is underneath. This is the auger. The top of the auger has a pin that sticks out, and I suspicion that that is wore down. Also, I think that the nylon bushing is wore out in the back. That doesn't allow the blade to push against this plate properly. And then with this wobble and that bushing not with no pressure, it causes the sinew not to cut. It binds up and it doesn't grind proper. That's my problem. I got to get it fixed. Well, I got the four-wheeler running. Back to the state it was in before anyway. Starts nice, just like it did. Haven't got the grinder fixed yet. Still working on it. Got an email into Grizzly, and we'll see what they come up with. Pretty darn good, if I say so myself. Makes all that hunting worthwhile. I want to thank you for watching. The adventure continues. Bill Goudy out for now.